Ladies and gentlemen, the new Maguindanao, ready and primed up for peace and progress.
Totoong serbisyo para sa bayan. The Maguindanao provincial government is intensifying its socio-economic programs to address the prevailing poverty incidents in its municipalities. Since Governor Ismael Mangudadato led the 36-town province in 2010, various projects have been implemented to gradually decrease indigence rate towards improvement of its people's living condition. Part of this project is the distribution of oil palm and rubber seedlings to 32 of its municipalities, in line with the provincial government's thrust for sustainable agriculture and livelihood. The provincial government, headed by its vigorous governor, also distributed 96 livestock comprised of carabaos, goats, and chickens. Recipients of this were the qualified farmer beneficiaries from the towns of Ampatuan, Buluan, Dato Saudi Ampatuan, Parang, Dato Montawal, and Raja Buayan. In addition, 4 farmer tractors were also made available for the use of any of the farmers in the province, provided they abide with the proper borrowing procedure and its conditions. On the other hand, the Maguindanao provincial government has also been continuously pursuing quality education towards stable jobs and better living conditions for the people in the province. As part of this endeavor, Governor Ismael Mangudadato granted free education service to qualified education graduates who will take the licensure examination for teachers. Dubbed as free let review classes, quality education for a progressive Maguindanao, 2 review classes were organized in Cotabato City and Tacurong City to pave way for 2,097 examinees. The new administration of the provincial government also envisions to empower the Maguindanaon by providing them with the much-desired quality education. Thus, Governor Mangudadato also established a scholarship program on educational assistance and community empowerment that is now supporting 1,970 student scholars. Meanwhile, in terms of infrastructure development, the provincial government hastens construction of infrastructure projects situated in various municipalities of the province to fast-track the delivery of farm products and basic social services for the people in the province. A total of 144.01 kilometers of road have been constructed or repaired, and 125 street lights were installed in the municipalities of Parang, Dato Paglas, Pandag, and Paglat. 21 solar lights were also provided in Bongo Island, South Upi, North Upi, Ampatuan, and Dato Blas Sinswat towns. Residents of Buluan, Pandag, and Dato Udin Sinswat now can also avail the fully operational housing with 10 units each. 2 justice halls were also erected in Paglat and Raja Buayan towns, while the construction of a Buluan training center is almost complete. Of the 36 municipalities, 18 have now completed the construction of covered courts, with 12 covered courts now usable. In health services, a total of 43 medical missions were organized in Maguindanao province, spreading in 36 municipalities since Governor Ismael Mangudadato assumed office in 2010. Medical missions are being conducted every month where thousands of residents have benefited. A mobile hospital was also procured to intensify the delivery of health services in the remote areas of the province. The Maguindanao provincial government also extended cash and medical assistance to the victims of Typhoon Sendong in Cagayan de Oro City last December 2011. From 2010 up to the present, Governor Mangudadato continues to dispense the much-needed development in the province for the purpose of restoring peace and prosperity to its constituents. Ito ang totoong serbisyo para sa bayan.